Sunshine Sam. What's your name? He wanted you to introduce yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't want door?
Yep, everybody.
I meet you for the first time. I'm sorry.
No, go. I got you. I got you. I'm here to. I'm learning from y'all. Oh, that scared me.
Thank you.
And did you know that there's a tinted window? If you put your phone right up against it, you can see it.
Really? Oh man, do it. Yeah, do it. Do it.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can.
That's crazy.
A man that turned on his finger, like, how he glare, but it looked worse with it.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna ask for one.
Thank you. We want to ask about the gun locks.
Okay, you just needed one?
We need, she wants one, I want one, she wants one, and he wants one. So, 4. Thank you so much. We sure appreciate it. That's nice. Yeah, I didn't even know they gave them away for free.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You gotta wait till I
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, you ladies have a nice day. We appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Okay, now we better shut it back.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yay, free gun locks. These ladies were nice, and I appreciate that. So Titusville Police Department gets a nice pass today. And you guys know passes are American Amy's favorite. Some people call them boring. I call them the result of activism.
And you have to realize, we were out open carrying as well,
Yes.
and nobody showed up.
And we got
so
no contact.
it's really weird when you show up in mass groups like we're all here today, and they don't want to come out and play. But
Yeah.
when Mr. Armed Fisherman by himself, oh, here we go. Let's get him.
Yeah.
Let's get him.
It sucks.
But yeah, ride along,
But-
everybody. This is gonna be interesting.
I would like to see that.
Okay, so you
I like.
applied for a ride-along, and you also want the records of Sergeant Anderson's disciplinary.
Hey, wouldn't it be funny if they gave you a ride along and they put you with a him?
So you understand, he's probably making somewhere upwards of 120K or something. He's a sergeant. I can only imagine he's making that type of money plus the OT. But you know, this is what we have to show is these are the people that we're paying to do a job, hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, and they want to treat people like us doing what we do constitutionally and want to just trample us. So
Right, and they also don't even most of them don't even know our yeah, much
They
less
don't
the
even
rest
know.
of them. Yeah, so
yeah, everybody, you're gonna love this ride along. From what I'm looking at, it looks like I probably would be approved up until they realized it was me.
right. Well, that's something good to know though, because we always
They're gonna
wondered.
get it and they're like, throw that away.
Yeah, not
And then
him.
I'll do a records request for it. and
That's a
then-
good idea. See if they'll be in the trash like the last things you guys brought up here.
No, that'll be one of the first. I know they're gonna say no, and I know they're gonna say no to my vest, and I'm like, oh, give me something. Like, you guys want
Can I have some pepper spray? Something.
You guys got vests on. How come I don't get a vest? I'm like, give me a gun. I swear I won't shoot nobody. That shoots at me first.
Well, you'll have your camera on at least. You'll have your body cam
Give
on.
me a body cam. I would love,
You'll-
like, I
you'll-
hope they put me in, like, you know, somewhat, gear, not full on, but
You
give me a
might get
body
it-
Cam, give me a little duty belt.
Shit, you might, if you're lucky, they might let you wear a blue T-shirt that they give you that
As
says,
long as there's no blue line.
yeah, no blue line flags through it or no blue lines on it.
Yeah, that's all I got for everything. This is pretty much.
We're good.
I had a great time. I hope you got
We did
all the
too.
content in the world. It is awesome.
It was fun.
That's what I'm talking about.
Amazing.
I will be putting all y'all's names up. I'm going to be doing
We will
an
too.
address on everybody. I do that as an intro. That way I can tell everybody, hey, go to these channels. That way I pop your channel. And they're like,
We appreciate that.